Hey guys, Led with Fine Country Detailing here. Behind me is a gorgeous Subaru Ascent. Now that we've installed the ceramic coating, the blue paint is so vibrant. I mean, it's just leaping off the panels now. Look at that gloss and shine. This looks absolutely phenomenal. And the best part is this vehicle won't need to be waxed now. This finish is locked in and it's so easy to clean moving forward. Wasn't that incredible? If you're ready to take your vehicle's finish to the next level and have that gloss and shine and ease of maintenance, contact Fine Country Detailing for your quote now.